Never blame anyone for their role in your story. Good people bring happiness, bad people bring wisdom, and the best ones leave behind memories you will cherish forever. There will be those who promise to stay but leave when the road gets rough, and those who expect nothing from you but stand by your side when you need them most. Some will speak words that wound, while others will see your flaws and still choose to stay. Life is not about avoiding pain, it is about learning from it. Some lessons come from love, others from loss, but every person you meet plays their part. You must learn which hands to shake, which to hold, and which to release. Do not fear those who walk away. The right ones will always find their way back. And the journey ahead? It is yours to walk, with